Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on iOS 15. So in order to do it, you need to go to the settings first, then go to Windows Update, and here you need to click on check for updates. Although I've already checked, so I'm gonna retry. It'll start checking for these updates and we'll see if there are any available that will actually be able to get installed. And yes, there are some, so they'll probably start installing now already, downloading, and after that I'll be able to restart my laptop if it's necessary and it'll be applied. So let's just wait for it to tell me if I need to restart. And now, as you can see, the updates were downloaded and installed, and one of the updates actually requires a restart. Even if none of the updates that you are installing require a restart, I still recommend clicking on the start button, then power button, and clicking restart. In my case, I can click on update and restart, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And let's wait until it applies the update. It may take a while, and after that we'll be done. So I'll get back to you when it's done. And now it is updated. I'm gonna just unlock it, and as we can see, the update is completed. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.